Under the motto of First Aid Bandage is Young Chemical. Young Chemical is producing the world's best quality products. Since it was established in Yongsan in 1986, based on its accumulation know-how as the biggest and best medical purpose brand manufacturer in Korea. We are focusing on developing new products as well as R&D to increase the usefulness of Band-Aid as the largest and best. Through research and development and the world's best quality control, we strive to differentiate ourselves from other competitors while producing customized products that meet customer needs. With the world-class production facilities and expanded investment, we can perform entire processes in-house from manufacturing to shipping. We also have a competitive edge in exporting innovative medicines with competitiveness to more than 40 countries. We strive to develop products to enhance the convenience of the users without staying in our present success and develop high-functional wound protection materials. To enforce R&D, we are not hesitant to cooperate with external networks, but actively introduce new technologies with collaboration with external networks. To create innovative medical products according to the rapidly changing market conditions, we are trying to create new products continuously. We will lead the global market through endless R&D efforts based on know-how accumulated for 30 years and the highest level of facilities.